Hi Dream Homers! A blessed day to all of you. Again, join me for another house tour here in Antipolo, Rizal. It's a European model with a touch of a modern contemporary house inside to a prestigious subdivision here in Antipolo. Why I call it prestigious? Dahil napakahirap ng bumili ng lote dito sa loob ng subdivision na to. So, let's begin our tour. Anyway, it sits on 256 square meter with a floor area of 516. It comes with 4 bedrooms, 6 toilet and bath, and 3 carport with swimming pool, with drivers and maids room, and a huge storage area and a balcony. So, umpisa na natin. Excited na ako. Ito yung isa sa mga favorite kong house tour na property. Anyway, frontage of this property is 15 meters and it's facing west. And as you can see, no, exterior pa lang ng bahay, talagang wow, mapapawaw na kayo, Dream Homers. Dito sa left side ko, you have a pocket garden, no, na naka-landscape na rin siya, no. So, i-maintain nyo na lang. And look at the adobe cladding, no, napakaganda rin, which it gives an accent for the modern contemporary / European combination kasi yung kanyang theme. So, there's a color of gray. And dito pa lang, no, mapapansin nyo rin sa carport, it's a natural cobblestone, which is magandang idea rin for sa inyong mga vehicle, no, for their safety. And isa sa mga features ng property na to, Dream Homers, this is a smart home house. So, umpisahan natin dito sa ground floor. So, dito pa lang, as you can see, this gate is an automatic gate. You wanna see how? So, that's it, Dream Homers, no? So, this is your 3-car garage and labas lang ako ulit kasi gusto kong pumasok using the pedestrian gate. Okay, so here, no, your landscape garden and you have your non-split tiles na rin dito, no? And of course, this will be your pedestrian gate. So here, no, we have 2 access going to the main house. Dito, this stair will be your access going to the pool and balcony. And makikita nyo yung tiles niya is a non-split tiles. And meron na rin siyang mga outdoor lights and CCTV, of course. And ito, you have a landscape entrance, no? A simple landscape pero it give a drama and maaliwalas na feeling for the property. And here, you have your pool, toilet, and bath with urinal na rin siya. So, of course, you have a solid wood and a complete lavatory set. No? May theme naman yung toilet and bath dito. So, ito namang door na to will be your huge storage room. No? Which is very functional sa ganitong napakagandang property. Marami kayong malalagay ng mga gamit. Okay? So, let's move forward. So, again, this will be again your 3-car garage. And look at also the wall cladding here, no? Nice. And of course, you also have your smart home access dito. Okay? And this part will be your large space for your service area. You can set up another dining hall here. Kasi sa tabi lang nito, nandito yung inyong auxiliary kitchen, which is ang ganda rin ng mga lights na ginamit. Of course, napakaganda ng property na to. And the auxiliary kitchen, you have your double sink. Okay, double large sink. And the good thing is, meron na rin siyang heater. It's a multi-point heater sa baba. And included na rin dito yung grease trap. And the countertop is granite. So look at the smooth finish ng mga cabinet. And soft and close na rin siya. Okay? Okay. So, a lot of storage cabinet and your cooktop. Okay, nice. So, ang likod lang nito, nandito ang inyong driver's room. Okay? Ang laki ng space niya for driver's room. And look at the tiles. Ang ganda ng tiles. No? Ay, isa rin sa mga favorite ko dito sa property na to. Napaka-generous ng space for the staff. Ang ganda. And they also have their ceiling fan. Kasya nga dito yung for three person. And you also have your built-in cabinet sa inyong drivers. Which is ang ganda rin ng quality. Okay? So, they have their windows. Okay? This door will be your access going to your laundry area. Okay? So, this will be your laundry area. You have a large sink here. Stainless sink na, of course. Okay? And dito, nyo ilalagay ang inyong washing machine. Covered na rin siya. Of course, you also have your lights. And of course, may landscape kayo dito. Dito din. And you have tiles na non-split tiles na rin siya, no? Para hindi slippery pag umuulan. And that access going to your car garage. Okay? And, of course, your staff, meron na rin silang privacy. Meron silang sariling toilet. Okay? May sarili sila dyang toilet. And they also have their own shower room. Ayan, no? Ang laki ng space. So, these stairs, no, as you can see, this staircase is another access going to the main house. As you can see, the steps is made of a solid wood okume. So, lahat ng stair dito, solid wood okume siya. Okay? And of course, meron na rin siyang mga step light. Okay? So, pasok tayo sa loob ng bahay using the other access kasi nandun yung main door. Okay, no? So, again, you have your railings here. Okay? Again, sa European, no? Sa Europe, yung mga railings, ganito na siya. That's why it's called another European theme house. So, ayun, non-split tiles na rin siya. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina. And a lot of landscape garden dito. Ang ganda rin ng choices of plants na ginamit nila. And here, this will be your pool. Your lap pool na nakatapat sa overlooking view. Okay? Kung hindi lang siya maulap, you have your overlooking view of Laguna Lake and the Ortigas skyline. Okay? Yan. So, medyo kasi cloudy day rin kasi ngayon eh. So, hindi natin siya makikita. But I can assure you dream homers, you have an incredible view for this property. Of course, this will be your pool. And you also have your balcony here, which is makikita nyo, no? Yung ceiling na ginamit, it's an imported WDC. Okay? So, pasok tayo sa loob ng bahay using this huge main door. Okay? Okay, this huge main door is made of a solid wood nara. Okay? And the handrails is a solid kamagong. And of course, it is a digital lock set, which is the top of the line. It's ultra lock. I don't know kung tama yung pronunciation. Ultra lock you. But I can assure you, it is the top of the line for this era. And of course, itong part na to, your huge balcony, which is meron na rin siyang nakasetup na plants na nakalagay na siya sa isang plastic, which is movable siya. So, nasa sa inyo kung gusto niyo siyang ilipat. So, as you can see, no, napakahangin dito sa area na to. And imagine, yung view na makikita nyo, for the price of this property, it's very worth it, dream homers. Okay? So, tara, pasok na tayo ulit sa loob using the main door. So, I've already told you, it's made of a solid nara wood, and welcome to your dream home. Ang bigat niya, dream homers. Yon. Okay. So, nice. So, pagpasok natin dito sa loob, it's an open concept layout. Okay. So, ayan. nandito na yung inyong balcony, which you have an access using this sliding door. Okay? And pagpasok natin, no, makikita nyo agad itong accent wall tiles na to. No, napakaganda niya. You have your spotlight here. Yan, nice. And again, it is smart home. And you have also your socket here, which is movable siya. Nice, no? Napaka-modern. A lot of storage cabinet here na pwede nyo ilagay. Again, it's smooth finish na rin siya. You have your vertical glass window here, no? Awning na rin siya, may transom window siya sa taas. Okay? So, moving forward, you have your dining area here. Ito, sinet up dito, it can fit at up to 8 seaters of dining table. And yung ceiling niya is made of a narrow wood also. And look at the lights na ginamit, no? Ang ganda nung accent na dating niya. Okay, nice, very nice. And so as you can see, no, you have your built-in solid oak wood cabinets with shelf life design na meron siyang continuity siya, no, dun hanggang sa stairs going to the second floor. So napakaganda ng design niya. Nice, ang ganda. And of course, sa baba, you have a lot of storage cabinet din. It's imported pa, no, yung cabinet. And meron din siyang design ng square solihiya, which is combined, no, from imported and dito sa atin sa local. No? So, look at this showcase kitchen. Nice yung island top nyo, no? You have your solid surface which is easy to clean siya, no? Inspired by quartz, pero it's solid surface, no? So, napakadali niya lang nilisin. And you can set up a total of 3 stool chair here, kasya dito. Sa ngayon, 2 lang yung nakalagay. You have a large sink here. Again, meron na rin tong multi-point heater. So, nice, no? Modern na rin siya. And lahat ng cabinet nito, it's a smooth finish. Meron na rin siyang soft and close mechanism. You also have your wine chiller here, which is ang brand is Midea. Nice, ang ganda ng kitchen. You also have your built-in cooktop, ridge hood, no? Top of the line, yung mga furnitures na ginamit dito. You also have your side-by-side door. Ang kanyang brand is Condura. Ang ganda ng mga storage cabinet. Sobra, nakaka-in love. And you also have your built-in microwave oven and your oven. So again, cushion din yung kanyang brand, no? Nice, no? Ang ganda. You also have your inverter type of aircon here. So that's it for your kitchen. And look at the modern lights na ginamit. So nice. So from here pa lang, no, sa ground floor, you already have your overlooking view. And dito rin sa second floor, you have an overlooking view, Dream Homers. So that's it for the ground floor. But you have your first bedroom here. Okay? So this will be your, unahin pala muna natin ta. Okay? Your first full toilet and bath. Okay. Nice. Ganda. Para ka nasa hotel. So, ang ganda nung kanyang tiles. It's a gray color with a combination of a wood and yung mga choice of lights na ginamit, of course. It's a complete lavatory set and you have your transom window. Ang ganda, no? Para at least may papasok na natural light. Okay? Okay, so beside your first full toilet and bath, you have your first bedroom. Okay, so this will be your first bedroom. So, kasya dito yung queen size of bed. And of course, you also have your own inverter type of aircon. So, you know, you have an access going to your pool. So, look at that, no? If nakasama lang talaga si Clouds, no? Makikita niyo yung beautiful view talaga dito nitong property. So, that's it, no? Ang ganda. And I'm excited to show you more on the 3rd floor. Okay? So, you also have your movable socket here. Okay? So, of course, look at the stairs. No? Even the stairs is the focal point area of this property. Again, the step is made of a solid okume wood. Okay, so habang umakyat ka, ang sarap sa feeling, no? And of course, again, the step is made of solid okume wood and the handrails. Okay, so pagkakyat natin dito sa third floor, you will be welcomed by these vertical huge windows. Ang ganda, imagine pag naka-open yan, di ba? Ang hangin sa labas sa ganitong oras, which is, sabi ko nga, Antipolo, di ba? Talagang, bakit ba tayo umakyat dito? Because of the overlooking view. Anyway, dito sa third floor, nandito yung 3 bedrooms. So, let's check first your master bedroom. Okay? So, pag pasok natin dito, open ko lang yung lights. Okay. Pagpasok natin dito, you have a hallway and unang yung makikita is your built-in cabinet. So, nice, no? Ang ganda. All built-in cabinet here is imported pa, okay? It's imported built-in cabinet. So, you have a huge mirror here, no? So, napakadali lang na habang nag-aayos tayo. And you also have your own toilet and bath, okay? Nice. Of course, yung shower fixtures niya, it's a Bravat, yung kanyang brand. Nice, ang ganda. Para kang nasa hotel. No? And look at the shower head. Ano yan eh, yung parang rain shower. Yan. So, check natin itong rooms. So, okay, no? So, this will be your master bedroom, which is nakasetup na dito yung queen size of bed. Nice, no? Very modern yung design niya. Simple, but you can add another furnitures. No? So, you have your ceiling. Automatic na rin lahat yan, no? You can access kahit nasa labas ka pa using your mobile phone. Anyway, included na rin dito yung a tablet, no? Para sa smart home mechanism. And all bedrooms here, meron siyang automatic curtain closer. Okay? So, ayan. So, you have here your balcony, which is may access ka using this sliding door. Of course, lalagyan rin yan ng railings. Okay? So, ayan o, nandyan yung inyong overlooking view. And you also have your view sa pool. And, ayan, sayang talaga. Nanginayang ako kasi maulap siya. Anyway, again, Dream Homers, if you're interested to view this property, just contact us. So, that's it for our master room. Bago natin tingnan yung 2 rooms, you also have here your parang small pantry siya, no? It's up to you para at least hindi na kayo bababa. Ayan, no? A lot of storage cabinet, okay? Yan, no? Smooth finish na rin siya. Okay? And sa tabi lang niya, nandito yung ating pangatlong rooms. Ayan, okay? Double size of bed. Kasya dito, you also have your built-in cabinet and your inverter type aircon. Anyway, yung brand ng aircon nila is Colin. Colin brand. And of course, you also have your own toilet and bath. Same features lang naman, no? Ng master bedroom. And even the brand, parehas lang. Nice! Para kayong nasa hotel, Dream Homers. Yan. Okay? And let's check the last bedroom. Of course, the last bedroom, meron siyang sliding door, which is a space saver siya, no? Nice. And, gosh, ito, mas malaki to compare dito sa pangatlong bedroom. Malaki siya, kasya rin dito yung queen size of bed. And my gosh, yung buong wall niya, no, sinakop na siya ng Vertical huge windows na yan. Okay? Nice, ang ganda. Sayang biruin mo kung nandito ka, kitang-kita mo yung overlooking Laguna Lake and Ortigas skyline. And of course, you also have your imported built-in cabinet and your own toilet and bath. Okay, same features lang siya. Again, Bravatt yung brand ng shower. Fixtures. All toilet has a multi-point heater na siya. Okay? Laki ng transom windows. So that's it, Dream Homers. If you're interested to view this property, please don't hesitate to call or contact me to Adarna to my contact number. It's flashed in the description box. And we're very happy to assist you finding your dream homes. Again, this is Nem Marquez, a PRC accredited and DHS UD registered from Invest Manila. Bye and God bless you all.